And hello YouTubers, how are you? Darren Smith here from Adelaide, Australia. I'm on my new microphone, the SM50, the Shure microphone, and it's a guitar microphone. And I've got the guitar giveaway channel, Adelaide, Australia. The guitar giveaway channel is blowing up on YouTube at the moment because I know exactly what I'm doing as a YouTuber, and I have fully optimized my channel, and I have fully optimized every single video, every single description, every single title, and every single tag. Yeah, plus I use images like this one in the corner here on the video here, and I am launching, this is a big announcement, I am launching my new course, the YouTube Master Academy YouTube course. It's called the YouTube Master Academy, and I can do like small groups, or like on live stream calls where I teach you guys one on one everything you need to know about YouTube. Yeah, everything about thumbnails, how I do my thumbnails, my special secret, how to do thumbnails, authentic thumbnails that stand out, like this. Like this picture here, the YouTube Master Academy. It's like a thumbnail, like a thumbnail software I use, but I'm not going to tell you what it is until you do the course. You need to do the course because it's a secret, and it's a secret hack that it changes the way that you can do YouTube thumbnails professionally and make them authentic and do them quite easily, without a worry, to be and have like really good results like I have here in this sort of thumbnail picture response graphic design. So I can also set up your channel for you. I can do everything you want in the YouTube Master Academy. All I need you to do is get back to me on this video in the comments, or on in my email. I'll leave the email in the description below, which is guitar giveaway channel 345 at gmail.com. And if you want to do this course, Darren Smith at guitar giveaway channel, called the YouTube Master Academy YouTube course, and it's going to cost $299, and it'll be over a 6 months period, 3 to 6 months period, and I'll teach you absolutely everything you need to know about YouTube. I will set up your YouTube channel. I will set up your Gmail, like a email, like a domestic Gmail account. Like most YouTube channels have got a Gmail account, like I have. Unless you want to do a business email account, I can set all that up. I can also organize a professional website to be integrated with your niche's newsletter attached, with a opt-in page and email capture. So I have all this set up because I've got a website designer. He works especially for me. I pay him to do my website. If you go to the guitar giveaway channel.com.au website, you will see how professional my website is. And I can set all the stuff up. If you want to put payments, Stripe payments, if you want to put memberships, or if you want to put a shop, like I've got the guitar giveaway channel, yeah. So I can sell guitars and guitar accessories and stuff like that in my shop if I want to, but I don't. All it's basically it's a newsletter and subscriptions, and getting people's email and building my email list through my website. So it's a great idea, and you can also connect your Spreadshirt shop to your website as well. You can do all sorts of different stuff with your website. This is all in the YouTube Master Academy course. If you just want one-on-one private coaching and you want to pay me a bit extra money, like $500 for 3 to 6 months, you are welcome to do that as well. And I'll do one-on-one coaching with you. I'll do a one-on-one live stream, private live stream, because I've got the professional. I've got professional StreamYard account, which is 45 Australian dollars a month, which is heaps good. You can put logos and all sorts of stuff, and all sorts of overlays and stuff like this, and different videos and different cameras, and different resolutions, all on your live streams. I'll teach you how to live stream. I'll teach you what microphones to get. See all these microphones? I'll teach you what microphones to get, how to install them, what softwares to use on your computer, how to optimize your YouTube channel. I will try and get you to I'll encourage you to sign up and get a subscription with vidIQ, which will even 1,000 times enhance your YouTube channel and your success on YouTube. My channel has only been open for 7 weeks and I've already got over 10,200 subscribers and I've got 7.6 million views and I've got 42.5k watch time. Yeah, in the last 5, 6, 7 weeks on YouTube on my new channel, Guitar Giveaway channel, which I've just launched. It's only 6 or 7 weeks and I'm already monetized on tier 1 and hopefully I'll be getting 10 million views soon. So I will be able to get fully monetized with YouTube AdSense partner program, then putting adverts on my YouTube videos, start, beginning, and in the middle. So I am a professional, I'm a seasoned pro. I've had several YouTube channels. I've had gaming sound effects, I've had the Aussie Creator, I've had Brain Feed, I've had all sorts of different, I've had the Guitar Giveaway channel before, and I've got this new Guitar Giveaway channel, and I've got the Guitar Giveaway channel Facebook group, which is monetized as well. I am the real deal, folks. I am legit. If you want to join the YouTube Master Academy, make sure you leave a DM, leave me a direct message right here on this video in the comments, and I'll get back to every single one of you. Or you can email me at guitargiveawaychannel345 at gmail.com. I'll leave that link, I'll leave that email in the description below, and I will teach you absolutely everything you need to know about YouTube. And if you want to, like, if you want teaching on to get better at guitar as well, I can teach you how to play guitar and all sorts of stuff about guitar as well. But this is mainly the YouTube Master Academy. This is for YouTubers who are like me, who go into YouTube like I do and create videos. I'll show you how to create the absolute best videos. I'll show you how to video edit with CapCut Pro and DaVinci Resolve Black Beta 19. Absolute professional video editing tools, and which you need to know. You need to know this. I'll show you how to do channel banner art, which is extremely. I cannot point this out enough. How important channel banner art is to your channel, which you need a template. Well, I don't, but at the start when you're starting off and you're doing channel banner art in Canva or Adobe Photoshop, you need a template for your channel banner art, and also you need a popping logo or a profile pic, YouTube logo or YouTube profile pic of yourself or of your logo. I've got a logo. I've got the Guitar Giveaway channel. My channel is totally branded. My channel is totally optimized. My channel is getting 350 views per minute on my channel and up to 69,000 views per hour on my channel. Yeah, in the analytics, 24/7 on autopilot. It's pumping in so many views, so much attention, so many eyes on my channel banner art, my logo, my channel, everything. I can teach you absolutely everything about YouTube, how to leverage YouTube, vidIQ, YouTube Master Academy, YouTube thumbnails, YouTube channel banner art, YouTube logos, YouTube tags, YouTube descriptions, YouTube video titles, absolutely everything about creating and making videos, uh, uh, short and long form videos. I am a professional, folks. Please listen to me. Do the right thing. Contact me as soon as you see this video. We can do some one-on-one coaching, or we'll just do a small group counseling over with StreamYard, and I'll teach you guys how to set up your YouTube channels. I'll show you absolutely everything. I'll show you how to brand it. I'll show you how to customize it. I'll show you how to do all the shortcuts, what things to turn on and what things to turn off inside Creator Studio. I'll show you every tool you have to use in Analytics in Creator Studio, how to use OBS Studios, how to use StreamYard while live streaming. I'll show you absolutely everything. How to talk while you're talking on a video or a live stream. See, I don't sound that great while I'm talking, but it doesn't matter. People want to see that you're authentic, like I'm coming across now, and I'm 100% real. This is a 100% real offer. I'm offering $300 for the next 3 to 6 months of your time, just concentrating on your YouTube channel, and we'll get you up and lifted and getting thousands of views a day in the next six months. When the next 6 months is over, you're on your own. But within that 3 to 6 months period, you're my student, and I'll teach you absolutely everything just for only $300 to start with, folks. Not $997, not $1,000, not $500, only $299 per person. This is the YouTube Master Academy, brought to you by Guitar Giveaway channel at YouTube. I am a YouTube master, folks. I am a video creator. I am a video editor master pro. I've actually got a CapCut Pro ambassador, and I'm a template creator. So I know the drill. If you are interested in this, please contact me. Please contact me in the comments below or on the Gmail offered in the description below, and contact me as soon as possible so we can get started with your new YouTube Master Academy course. Take a look at that, folks. I've got the silver play button. That's right, I've got credentials, and I will be your mentor and teacher, and I will show you the way. And let's get things underway now. Contact me and let's get this underway. Thank you for watching, folks. You guys are absolutely awesome. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment and share this video to as many people as you possibly can. I'll see you in the next video or on the Guitar Giveaway channel on YouTube and Facebook, and I'll see you soon, especially on YouTube. Adios and peace. Adios. Bye, folks. Darren Smith over and out. Bye.